Here's a quick look at the vintage Coach scooter bag, style number 9893 in the color British tan, and this bag was made in Hungary in the year 1996. So this bag has been nicely preserved over the years. It still comes with the original price tag, but it's no longer attached to the bag. So it was just inside of the bag. And the price tag has information on the bag, like the style number, the color, and then the name of the bag, scooter bag. So that's the price tag, and it still comes with the original registration card. And then it comes with this little booklet as well. And the booklet just has information about Coach as a brand. And then the registration card, it has a Jacksonville, Florida address. So I would assume that's probably where this bag was originally purchased. Okay, so let's look at the bag now itself. So like I mentioned, it's in the color British tan. So it's a nice rich tan color, and it comes with a brass hardware turn lock. So here's how we'd open and close the bag. And then here's what the side looks like. It does have a fixed strap that's sewn directly onto the side of the bag. And here's what the back looks like. It's smooth leather across the back. And then when we open the bag, it does have a nice slip pocket here under the front flap, and it has some of the original tissue paper here still in this little slip pocket. And then when we remove the rest of the paper, you can see here's what the interior of the bag looks like. It's more of a smaller size bag, as you can see. And then the Creed is also stamped in this front pocket under the front flap, but it's really hard to angle the camera right to show it to you, so I'll insert a photo so you can see it better. And lastly, it comes with the two-sided hang tag. So the hang tag matches the bag. As you can see, they're both British tan. So that is the scooter bag, and it is available now in our online store, shop.cristinamoda.com. So I will leave a link below in case you wanted to look at this bag further. We also have a few other British tan scooter bags right now in stock. We have two others that actually still have the original price tags attached and come with a Coach box. So I will leave a link below to those as well in case you wanted to look at those. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching and take care.